Being a father.
Being a father. 1. Responsibility for the family. Work hard to earn income to support your children and wife, whether through a job or business. Avoid wasting money on unnecessary things. 2. Patience. When children make mistakes or your wife faces problems, speak calmly instead of shouting or using violence. If children don't listen, explain so they understand instead of punishing immediately. Be patient with difficulties when the family faces challenges and don't give up too quickly. 3. Spending time with children. Be a role model for your children by teaching them to do some tasks and to respect elders. Listen to their stories to build closeness and trust. 4. Supporting your wife. Help your wife with housework when possible, such as washing dishes or taking care of the kids when she is busy. Show that you are a partner, respect her, value her, and never do anything to destroy trust.
5. Teaching morality. Guide your children to practice good manners, speak kindly, and avoid bad habits.
6. Protecting the family. Make your family feel safe both physically and emotionally. Be a strong role model, but not through force or fear. 7. Adaptability. In today's world, a father should encourage his children to study, since education is crucial for the family's future. Learn to use technology and keep up with new knowledge to help the family grow. Being a father is not only about being the breadwinner, it also means guiding your children, preserving the family's reputation, being a role model, a source of support, and a protector for your loved ones.